Welcome back. Well, we often hear of women suffering from depression, and statistics show women deal with it more than men. Well, licensed psychotherapist Michelle Aycock joins us now with more on why guys also get blue. Appreciate you joining us.
Good to be back.
Good to see you again. Give us a call with your questions, 866-230-4529 if you have some questions. Why is it that women seem to be depressed more than men, but men still suffer from these problems?
Well, one of the problems that you see is that men typically don't seek out help because they feel like they'll be viewed as weak, or that they won't be viewed as strong, or that they feel they'll lose respect from maybe family or even coworkers if they do seek out help for their depression.
So a little bit can be maybe a pride thing as well with men.
Absolutely.
All right. What are some of the symptoms that men may get as they might be suffering from depression?
Some of the symptoms are that there's excessive use of alcohol, watch TV more than they used to, that they have feelings of anger and aggression, that they don't sleep enough, whereas women sleep more when they're depressed. Men tend to not sleep enough.
So the opposite almost is true when the symptoms for men.
Exactly, it is the opposite, yes.
And what are some things that can trigger depression in men?
There are three main things that tend to trigger depression in men are marital relationship conflicts or problems. Financial problems are a huge issue with men as far as symptoms, and also job loss. That can really affect a man's ego when they have lost their job and have no money, and so they tend to get depressed.
When you talk about men and women suffering from depression, do you think a lot of men, maybe these statistics aren't reported because men just aren't willing to come out and say they are suffering from depression?
Absolutely. Men, again, are less likely to come forward and admit that they have a problem with depression. And actually, some of the statistics are that only 7% of men actually come forward and tell others that they're feeling depressed or seek help, whereas 18% of women actually seek help when they're depressed. So that's a big difference.
And unfortunately, suicide rates also seem to reflect this trend.
Absolutely. 80% of people in the United States, between male and female, 80% of men commit suicide. So, I'm sorry, are men. So again, you have, there's only 20% of the women who suffer from depression commit suicide, whereas 80% of men do.
Bottom line, there is help out there if the men are willing to get that help.
Absolutely. There's help, and it's very important that you call someone, a therapist, a professional, if you feel like that you are depressed or that you do have some of these symptoms, and really seek out help before it really gets out of control.
And quickly, you have a website that people can go to. It's called coastaltherapist.com. There you see it on the screen. People can log on there and get in touch with you.
Absolutely.
All right, Michelle Aycock, licensed psychotherapist. Thanks as always for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Good to see you again. That does wrap up today's Call 22.